Rise and shine, my peoples, rise and shine. I don't know if you don't actually want to see the whole get ready with me, that's why I don't do it. You know what I'm saying? Got to clean out these ears, boy, because I was gonna say I haven't cleaned them since I got it, but apparently it's not needed. Does anyone wet their cotton bud before they clean, like wipe out their ears and that? Because I can't do it dry, bro. It just feels like it's just, I don't know, it doesn't feel like it's doing nothing. And I completely forgot we're supposed to be checking out like a good 10 minutes ago. But it's alright. We just finished packing up our shit. I think I have everything. Worst case scenario. Oh, there's a sock. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's everything though. Okay. But yeah, my shot on outside and I've checked out or whatever. Peace. Man, then we checked out. But our transfer's not till like 5 o'clock because our flight's till like 10. It's currently 12. So, let's go to the beach, nigga. What the fuck? Oh, man, see my mic's on 20%. That is so peak. You think I'm just gonna sit and... No. Guess where we are? At the beach. You know what I'm saying? I need to stop talking in that accent, bro. People really think actually you sound like that. I said, you right, mate? Yeah. Nah, I don't know. I'm looking kind of rough. Allow me. We're a couple days in now. The chin's wearing off. The hairline's wearing off. It's crazy. Oh, it's crazy, bro. But I'm gonna put you in a better stand because it's a bit. You get me? You need to be at eye level. And you're not at eye level. Where can I put you for now? Until I pattern you up. What's this little hotspot? I wish I interacted with more people here though. But there's not really anyone to interact with, bro. You know what I'm saying? Put that there. I know, but you know what it is? I know bare people that expect a man to fucking... Bare people that expect a man just to be chatting up girl. This, that. Kinda like, girl's not a hype thing. When you fully deep it, I'm the hype thing. Mums. But I'm not gonna record much, because I still need you lot to catch up with my day. And I'm not sure how long this battery is gonna last me. However, I will be going down to the beach fully. But I want to explore the other side. I haven't explored the other side of the beach, like whatsoever. So, with that being said, let's make our way. Get me? With this mic, it doesn't fit. It doesn't sit how my other one did. My other one sits so perfect, so patterned, bro. I don't even like that side of my hair because my hairline's fucked on that side. I have to go on that side, G-Jim. Lighting good or not, I can't lie, I don't care. I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog. It's really annoying me that this part of my hair doesn't fit into my braids because I don't want to cut it because then my hairline's gonna be bare thick. That's dead. The whole point was to get rid of that bitch, you know what I mean? So when we get back to the UK, we're probably just gonna get a retwist, get some new clothes because we have a couple events coming up. And I can't lie, I can't wait. There's one on the 20th of June I'm attending. You man, I might end up getting a tattoo, bro. Word till the end, bro. I might be getting a tattoo, G, word. I think I'm gonna get like a special date to me and a special initial of someone that means a lot to me. Regardless, innit? So, yeah, man. I think I might get a neck tattoo, like it's going straight down. However, it needs to match like a jawline type of thing. It needs to be very straight. 3-4 days into my trim, it's out of there, GG. You know what I'm saying? But to be fair, we got a trim on like Thursday. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Let's check. Apparently it's like 30 degrees. I don't really think it's that hot. He's trying to tell me it's 35 degrees. Yeah, I can't lie, it has been like 35, it's been 33, 30, 28. I think when I first came it was like 28, but I came at like midnight, so fair, isn't it? Wait, you might That's the first time my videos ever just like stopped recording by itself. Maybe I got too hot. You lot probably want a better angle, so I'm gonna do what I can for you. Play my part, you know what I'm saying? Can't go wrong, G. Yeah, apparently it's like 35 degrees. I haven't bust a single sweat back. Maybe on my back a bit. Other than that, nah, bro. But I'm getting chewed alive by some bugs. I don't even think it's mosquitoes, bro. How can I completely forget I was just talking to the mic? Oh, my other mic's on, no. I keep wasting battery, chat. I know, man, it's peak. Probably. I'm waiting for a drink right now. I should probably get food, but I don't really know. You know what I'm saying? Thank you, brother.
You have also nice camera.
Yeah, I got good camera, man.
This is how you say it? It's turning.
Yeah. It can turn. It can follow me, like. See what I mean? Yeah, it's mad.
If I come here, then you follow me too. Yeah.
I can make it follow you. Now it's following you.
Wait, I'm going this way.
Yeah. No, do I chat to them? Wait. If you want them to hear you, you got to speak in here.
Hi, Blynk family. Stay follow me. That's oh my God. Where I? That's the last one. Yes. Hello from Turkey. If I turn this way, yes, they're turning, but this is the last. That's good. All right.
Yeah, it's got charger, it's got a mic. That's like a battery to charge it. So when this battery goes down, it'll charge it back up.
How much pounds this one?
I think this was like 600.
600 pounds.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
All together. Yeah, man, create a combo set. You know the thing. I'm happy that I got this set though. If I didn't get this set, I'll be very annoyed with the quality of my production. Like, if I only had the Osmo, I don't like only just holding the Osmo in it. I like the fact that I can add the little stand, extend it, because my hands are quite big for this little gimbal thing. Then I got the tripod, the other extended battery. Like when the battery's on, you'll probably have a better view of me. Like as before, when I said if you don't want a better view, I'll just put the thing on, innit? I will get food, but I'm just not hungry. I don't know, when I'm overseas, I just don't eat, bro. I just enjoy this, go to 1, 2 activities. I spent more money on activities than food. I think I had like 3 meals since I've been here, bro. But I'll look back on them when I see the footage anyway. See what I got on. So mad. I can't believe it's 30. It really does not feel like 35 degrees, bro. Word. Usually, I'm traveling with someone, so I know if someone else is being affected by the heat. But nah, man. Anyways, this man's gonna die, and I need it for the rest of the day, so I'm gonna just turn it off. I feel like I should sit more in the sun, but I like this little. Oh yeah, I haven't even shown you the place like that. Very nice. Just by the beach. Anyways, yeah. That's what I was saying. Like, if I was sat over there in the sun, it would be more calm. But I don't want my thing to overheat. Thank you. Appreciate it. I don't want the gimbal to overheat, so I'm just gonna have to stay here for now. It's not that bad anyway. What should we get? Yes, bro. Can I get
Yes, boss.
some buffalo wings
Yes.
and I think it's a Caesar salad?
Caesar salad. Yes, good choice.
Yeah. Thank you, bro. I love the aesthetic of this place. I'm glad this is the first place I've come out to eat. Hey, okay. You know what I'm playing. I'll show you what I've got anyway. We got chicken Caesar salad. We got the buffalo wings. You know the thing. Let's dive in, man. I'm not gonna have my mic on because you might want to ASMR on with that squeeze there. It's not really my steez, it's not cute. I can work with this though. This is banging. We're not in a rush. That's just nuts. Oh no. I should have just left it, chat. Because it's me, yeah. If I eat something that I don't like and then I eat something I do like, I can't eat. I'm gonna go to the toilet because I need to wash my hands are sticky, I feel dirty. It's not happening, man. See you, man. I'll be back in a piece. We're back. Is this getting hot? Let's get you out there, man. So chat, we ain't done a fit check the whole time we've been here, bro. It's all mad. Yes, brother. Yes, brother. Yeah. Thank you.
That's yours.
Thank you, brother. I'm gonna head back now, though, man. Just make sure all my shit's patterned. Grab my bags. Then I need to go make sure I'm at the pickup spot on time. I don't even know where I am, and my phone's about to die, so I don't know if I want to get back on time. But we're gonna figure this shit out and then show. Yo, testing, Ruska. Listen, you man, if you actually, whoa. Anyways, as I'm saying, if you want to book a holiday, you don't need a tour guide. What you need is my man, bro. My tour guide didn't even show up. Look at everything my man comes with as well. Options. Got the best customer service, best people, good vibes, good energy. He's got all of the activities. Even this is what I came and done yesterday. I had good time, good energy, good peoples. Everyone was showing me love, was giving me jokes. Bro, I'm like 13,000 meters in the air. It was nice to meet you, bro. Good time, good energy. It was nice to meet you, bro.
Me too.
We're on the way to the airport. I know I didn't vlog much today. I just wanted to jump in the pool, quick TikToks, quick Instagram flicks, quick reels, you know what I'm saying? But we're gonna be there in like 30 minutes, I think. I don't think it's that long. I'm gonna catch up with you, man, when I get to the airport, man. I had a good time, good holiday, and met some good people. Probably because I spent money, but you know how it goes, man, obviously, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna catch up. Peace. Touchdown in the air. Fuck. Oh, I slept like a motherfucker, bruh. Well, I don't even know if they're even gonna let man film here, but you get me, man, it's just dead there. I need to go print out my ticket, my boarding pass, whatever you wanna call it. I feel like when I turn on one, the other one automatically turns on, fam. Or maybe I'm just clicking it when I'm trying to put everything back where it's supposed to be. Chat. Alright, that's better. You man can see man properly. Yeah, that's loads better. We're getting there, chat, we're getting there. I've had that tune in my brain since I woke up. I said, what that? But I've been getting better compliments about my equipment though. They're like, oh, that's a good camera still. Let me just put this here for a sec, bro. I'm bugging out. I'm pretty sure I need to print my ticket. Oh, here, is this the queue for my thing? I'm gonna be here for a minute. Bro, they're frisking the whole batch.